let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But I said fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touched your face. When it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I said fire to the rain, and locked the world into the flames. When it fell, something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time, the last time. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here.